In this video, I'll show you how you can fix the CS2 crashing in-map loading screen. First step is we want to make sure we have the latest GPU driver. So search for Device Manager. Under Display Adapters, you want to right-click and update the driver. After that, you want to Google the name of your GPU. And on Google, you want to type software or driver after. And in my case, it's going to be the NVIDIA one. So you want to download that one to your GPU, and then you want to update it from in there. Once you've done that, you want to head over to Steam, right-click, go to Properties. In Launch Options, you're going to type exactly this right here. You can just pause the video and type the same. Once you've done that, you want to go to Installed Files, verify integrity of game files, then press Browse right here. Go into Game, Bin, Windows, right-click, Properties, Compatibility, and then you want to activate these two. Press Apply and OK and see if it works now. If it's still not working, try and launch in compatibility mode for Windows 8. So apply OK and then try that one. For me it works without this, so I'm just going to keep it like this. Once you've done all of this, if it's still not working, you can try and reinstall CS as well as restart your PC. Now, I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.